Hi, you are welcome in IoT learning series. Today we will discuss a project that is IoT based health monitoring system. So let's start this video. We will make circuit diagram on Proteus software. So we need to open Proteus and we will just assign a name of project on that. So here just you have to click on new project and you have to assign the name of new project, that is health monitoring system. And click on OK to finish this pop-up. Now you have to just click on next, and it will just open a workspace area for you. So we required components for our project. For that purpose we need to move on component mode and click on pick devices. Here we need to search for node MCU. So first of all you have to search for node MCU, click OK, and it will get added in your devices list. Again we required heart rate sensor, so we will type here for heart rate. So click on OK and it will get added in your devices list. Again we required DST11 sensor, so here you will be able to see DST11. Click OK and it will get added in your devices list. Now we required buzzer, so click on OK and it will get added in your devices list. Now click on node MCU and place it in workspace area and click on heart beat monitoring, so place this also in workspace area. Now you have to click on DST11 and you have to put in workspace area. Now click on buzzer and also place this on workspace area. Now we have to just make connection, so make it zoom in, that's why you can see it clearly. Now we will just make power connection. So ground, first of all we will connect heartbeat sensor. So ground of heartbeat sensor you have to connect with the ground of node MCU. Now we have to connect VCC of heartbeat sensor to the 3 volt of node MCU. Now connect V out of heartbeat monitoring system to the A0 pin of node MCU, because this releases analog signal, so you require to connect it at analog pin. Now we need to connect DST11 sensor, so VDD of DST11 we will connect on 3 volt of node MCU, and ground of DST11 we will connect to the ground of node MCU. So here you can say this is connection. Now we will just connect data pin of DST11 to D1 pin of node MCU. Here you can see this is connection of DST11. Now we need to connect buzzer. So here you have to connect buzzer's positive terminal to the D0 pin of node MCU, and we need to connect ground of buzzer to the ground of node MCU. Here you can see this is the connection we have made on Proteus. You have to make the same connection on physical level. So here as you can see I have made the same connection. This is heartbeat monitor, this is DST11, and this is node MCU. Last this one is the buzzer, as you can see. So I have made the same connection. So now you have to move in Arduino IDE software to program node MCU board. So open Arduino IDE software. So just you need to connect your node MCU board to your PC to program the node MCU board. First of all you can see here this is the code which we will use in our project. So This is the code which we will use in this project. Let me explain each line of code to you. As we have discussed earlier, this three line is credential related to the Blink console, and next three line is for connectivity to the internet. We have used here DHT11 sensor, which is connected on D1 pin of Node MCU. Now we have connected here pulse sensor of HUD monitoring on A0, and we have set here threshold 750. When there will be the threshold upper than 750, then it will start to beep, and on IoT system your LED will be start to blink. Now here you can see temperature of DHT11 will be fed to virtual pin V0 and humidity will be fed on virtual pin 1. Now you can see here we have used virtual pin V2 to receive signal from heartbeat sensor. I have used virtual pin V4 for visit LED when there will be alert. So visit LED will alert you with red color and start to blink. So now we need to configure the Blink console. So open your browser and you have to just log in your Blink console. So when you will log in to your Blink console, this home page will be shown to you. Here you will get an option for adding new template. So click on this and it will ask for the name of your project. So here you have to type health monitoring. Here you have to type health monitoring system and you have to move on hardware section. Here choose for ESP8266 and connection type it should be Wi-Fi. Click on done and here you will be able to set up data streams. So click on data stream. Here you have to add data streams for your project. So click on add new data stream and click on virtual pins. So first of all we will define for temperature, and I have used virtual pin V0 for receiving temperature. So here it will be V0 and here the value of temperature will be minimum 0 and maximum it will be 100. So you have to type here 100. So click on create. So data stream for temperature has been created. Now click again on add new data stream and here you have to create humidity as on virtual pin V1. So here the minimum value will be 0 and maximum value will be 100. So click on create. So here humidity data stream will be created. Now click again on add new data stream. So here we have to just create an data stream for pulse rate. So we will type here pulse rate and we will use virtual pin V2 for receiving pulse rate data. So here you have to type as 1000 and click on create option. So here you can see pulse rate has been added. Now again click on add new data stream, click on virtual and here we have to type for alert and we have to use pin V4 for alert system. So click on, before clicking create you have to move on color option. Here I will use red color, you can use any of these color. So click on create. So your data stream will be created. Now move on web dashboard. Here we will use some gauges option to see the data. First of all choose gauge and drop it workspace area. We required one more for humidity receiving. We required third one to monitor the pulse rate. So click on gauge first. Here on setting option you will get data stream option. So click on this and you have to choose temperature from here. Click save option. So first gauge will be configured. Now you have to click on second gauge setting option. Here you have to choose humidity. Click on save option, it will get saved. Now we need to move on gauge third. Here data stream, you have to choose pulse rate and click on save option. From visit box we required lid so that we can see our alert here. So click on setting of lid, and from data stream you have to choose alert, that is on virtual pin v4. As you can see, the configuration for wave dashboard has been completed. So click on save option. Now you have to click on search option and click on add new devices. From this pop-up you have to choose from template, and in template option you have to choose your project that we have created earlier, that is health monitoring system. So click on create. Here you can see the device for your project has been completed. Here you will get an option for your credential related to your project. So click here to copy the code and move to the Arduino IDE software. Here you have to replace first 3 lines with your credential that you have created on Blink console, and copy this authentication code from here and replace this one with new one. So this is the code that is completed. Now we need to connect your project with your PC with the help of data cable. So here I will connect it. As you can see, this is connected now. Now you have to move on tool option, and here you have to choose appropriate port and click on upload button so that the code will be get compiled and uploaded to your Node MCU board. So wait until completion of this process. Let me show one more thing. Here you can see initially your project will be showing offline as status when the code will be get uploaded to your Node MCU board, and your Node MCU board will get connected to the internet, so it will get converted in offline mode. So initially you can see this is showing offline. Now let's see the status of compilation of the code. Wait until it gets completed. So when it will get 100%, so it will start to upload code in your Node MCU board. Wait till finish this. You can implement this project in your real life, like in hospitals you have seen that heart monitoring systems are there, but they are not IoT based. So you can implement this technique to make that IoT based. So here you can see compilation has been completed and uploading process is going on. It's completed up to 46%. Wait until it get 100%. This is completed now. Now you have to just minimize this, and you can see here now your Blink console is showing online, and here you can see this is the data related to your sensors which is showing on IoT platform. Now I will show you the status of all data here. As you can see, when I will make the threshold upper than which we have set there, alert system will be showing you the red color. Let's demonstrate this again. You can see this is the project. Now when I put my finger on this, so its pulse rate is showing here. Now let me show this upper than threshold. As you can see, the buzzer has been started to beep and alert is showing you as blinking. So this is the concept that is working very fine. In this way this video is completed, and thanks for your patience.